FleetLeads is a marketing database of over 750,000 fleets that operate 2 or more vehicles. The database represents about 67% of all U.S. fleets in this target market. Contact records can be downloaded by headquarters, dealers, and distributors, for use by their marketers and sales personnel, communications teams, and event planners. These FleetLeads contacts can be imported into direct marketing platforms like Vistaprint, CRM platforms like Salesforce, and email marketing platforms like Constant Contact and MailChimp. FleetLeads provides fresh contacts to sales for their personal outreach initiatives. Email campaigns and newsletters reach an expanded audience. See an increase in attendance at meetings, conferences, and workshops. And invite more fleet administrators to your webinars and events. The record layout includes contact information, email address, fleet size and vehicle types. The FleetLeads marketing file contains 470,000 full contact records for fleets operating 2 or more vehicles. The base plan is a 12-month license for unlimited use of 10,000 records for $400 per month. Add additional records to your plan at any time. After 12 months, renew or cancel your 12-month subscription. Mail and email addresses have been verified as deliverable. To select fleets and download your marketing file, register at FleetLeads.com. Create an account. And view the FleetLeads Overview tutorial. The Criteria Center is where you select records for your marketing file. You can select records by geography, fleet size, vehicle type, and email address. Under Geography, you can select records by state, county, zip code range, or zip code radius. Under Fleet Size, you can select a minimum and maximum number of total vehicles. Under Vehicle Type, you can select a minimum and maximum number of vehicles by vehicle type. Under Email, you can select records with email addresses, without email addresses, or both. If this is your first time using FleetLeads, begin by downloading a sample file. When you created an account, you were given a download credit of 50 records. Select the county in which you reside and save your changes. Then select records with email addresses. Now, increase the minimum fleet size until the record count falls below 50. Go to the bottom of the page and save your criteria set. View the sample and then download your records. Open in Excel format, and view your contact records. This file will directly import into your database marketing platform. To start using FleetLeads, return to the Criteria Center. From the home page, you can find it by clicking the link in the description field, or from the drop-down menu. Click My Plan. The base plan provides 10,000 download credits at $400 per month over the 12-month subscription period. Clicking the subscribe button takes you to Recurly, a secure third-party payment processor. If you have a coupon code, enter it here. Accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Both are reasonable and customary. Finally, click the subscribe button. Returning to the Criteria Center, you will see that 10,000 download credits have been added to your account. You can add more credits at any time. Click the My Plan button and then add credits. Enter the number of credits you would like to add and click subscribe. Credits are discounted up to 25% depending on the quantity purchased. Please allow 1 business day for your order to be fulfilled. The subscription term will be updated to 12 months from the fulfillment date. You will also receive an additional credit for monthly payments you have made on your base plan. For example, if you are 6 months into the 10,000 credit base plan, and purchase additional credits, you will receive an additional 5,000 credits. You now have access to a best-in-class fleet marketing database that will improve your new customer acquisition initiatives. If you have questions or need help along the way, click your profile icon and contact us. FleetLeads was created in 2000, as an online database marketing platform to support the national fleet fuel card programs being developed by major oil companies. Since then, FleetLeads has been scaled to support the new sales tools developed for regional and local marketers, including CRM programs like Salesforce, direct mail programs like Vistaprint, and email marketing programs like Constant Contact and MailChimp. These are the engines driving new customer acquisition initiatives today, and are designed to be fueled with a best-in-class marketing file. FleetLeads was developed for this purpose,